This is very random. I don't know why am I making this video, but then on second thoughts, the more videos I have, I think it will help me, and I'm not making any sense. But then yeah, I just bought some vintage type t-shirts from Myntra, and I just wanted to show you guys. Honestly, I can't speak. So without making this any more awkward, I am just going to jump right into the video. What was that? So the first t-shirt is this white t-shirt. It's pretty basic, but it looks really cute, and it's in the size small. Actually, all the t-shirts I got are in size small. The second t-shirt is this peach colored t-shirt, and it's one of my favorite t-shirt, and if you're someone who has a dusky skin tone like me, this color will be perfect for you. And I really like this vintage drawing, this good vibe stuff. It looks really good. Okay, so out of all the 4 t-shirts, I actually don't like this one that much because of the material. I love the design. Material kind of feels like polyester. It's a bit thin. It's just that the quality of the other 3 t-shirts are much more better than this one. They feel like cotton, but then I think it really looks cute with a denim jacket and a denim jeans. So it's okay. So this is the last t-shirt, and this is my favorite out of the 4. I mean, it's so cute. It looks like this vintage white t-shirt goes with basic denim jeans, or even the gray trousers or black jeans, anything. And I have grown a liking for white t-shirts, and I have no idea why. I love whites. Literally, I'm planning to wear this t-shirt on my birthday. I don't know why I like this t-shirt so much. I forgot to film the outro, so sorry guys. And if you guys like the video, just like the video, subscribe to my channel. You know, it will help me a lot, and join my family. It's a very little family right now. I have 49 subscribers, but then yeah, just like, subscribe, and bye guys.